Good morning, internet people. Welcome back. This is Sierra and Lil Man.
Hi.
He's playing a game. He's into it. Okay. And Mr. is in the front of the car in the restricted section. I think he's taking a nap, so that's why he didn't say hi. Anyways, as you guys can see, we are in the car, and that's because today is moving day, which is a day that we've been waiting for what feels like almost forever. But a lot of stuff's been going on before this exact moment, so let's just go kind of...
No.
Oh, okay, let me see. Yep. There you go. Anyways, what you guys can see behind me is an example of exactly what not to bring on a long trip across the planet. But before this moment, a lot's been going on in the last couple of days, so I'm gonna like kind of roll back to that, show you guys some old footage, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Look, it's the entire house. Room tour, house tour. Tired daddy. Jeez. Got a lot of stuff, dude. Okay, we're back. So you guys saw the Packers coming to our house. You guys saw some clips of a little mini vacation to Yamanashi in Tokyo. And now we are here in the car and we are finally making the big move to England, which is pretty awesome. I don't know if I've talked about this before, but I have lived in the UK previously for a summer semester of university. However, the part of England that I was living in was the south part, and we were moving to Yorkshire, which is the north part, so it would be an entirely different new experience. But yeah, it is a 13-hour flight. It's gonna be a circus carrying 6 suitcases and 6 carry-ons through the airport, but we can do it. By carry-ons, I mean backpack. Each of us have a backpack and each of us have like a rolly luggage. But oh my gosh, like I've been traveling before and I felt like traveling just with Mr. and I before we had little man was a marathon, and I felt like China was a marathon with all the stuff that we had. I feel like this is gonna be like the multi-marathon, if that even makes sense. But yeah, we have about an hour left until we get to the airport, and then we're gonna check in, and I will see you guys after security. Hello again, guys. We made it through security, and again the line was super quick because almost nobody is flying, but it looks like some of the shops are actually open this time, which is kind of a big deal. So okay, mama, let's go. Last time we were here, which was this past summer, literally everything was closed except for one duty-free shop. But it looks like a lot of the designer shops are open right now, so at least have something to look at while we're waiting. The last time we waited at the gate for like an hour and a half, and we were so bored and we didn't get a chance to walk around and stretch, and we really need to do that because this flight is almost 13 hours long, which is the second longest flight I've ever taken. The longest flight I've taken I think was 14 hours, and I flew to China in 2007. So yeah, look, Tiffany's open. Not that I can afford to shop there, but they're open, so like theoretically I could shop there. I'm gonna head down to food court and see if there's any vegan friendly options. There's usually not, but I always like to check. That's the ride-on scooter. You can shop at Bulgar if we want. We can shop at Hermes if we want. Or as my mom calls it, Hermes. We can also shop at Gucci if we want. Looks also like Cartier is open. Or as my grandmama always called it, Cartier. Cartier, I think that's how you say it, but it's so pretty inside, look. Someday, friends, someday. Still walking. You can exchange your money for a really terrible rate if you want. I've never actually changed money at this airport, but the airport's never good. Now we're approaching the food cart. It's open, it's open. There's never anything vegan, but you know, it's open. Actually, that is not true. Sometimes I get sushi there, but you can get cucumber rolls and I make eggplant sashimi usually. So maybe we'll get that, I don't know. The reason I really came down here is I wanted to see if the like big Tokyo souvenir shop is open because I wanted to bring home mochi. But it looks like it is not open, which is quite depressing. So sorry friends, no mochi. I'm actually a little bit upset inside. So not fair. I feel like my need for mochi is being taken away from me twice now. Oh no! Oh, the sushi place I usually get my sushi at is closed. That's so sad. Okay. Alright, we're leaving the food court now. And I walked all the way down here because there's a restaurant that's supposed to have a deliciously vegan tofu burger. And they don't have any of the tofu burger. And the vegan burger, apparently the bun, as in the sign, has a little eggs and milk, so it's not vegan at all. Now I guess we're gonna browse the duty free and then wait for the airplane and be very hungry until then. Ah. Finally, and we just landed. Now we are at the famous Animal Reception Center. If you guys have seen the Animal Airport show, this is where they film Animal Airport. Pet's coming to the UK, and so yeah, we're here picking him up. I'm excited. Apparently you get free drink if you come pick up your pet. There's not much to see, but that's the whole place. So, what you doing?
Playing.
You're playing? Playing with what? Dog gate? Oh, he's here!
Oh, you've got an hide and seek.
Oh, he's gone. Goodbye. How long is he going to do this?
Probably an hour, another hour.
Tomas is here! Oh my goodness! Yeah. Oh, did you have a good play? Yay! Thank you so much. Oh my goodness! Your dog is in here. Tomas, you're in England now, but you have no idea what that is. Tomas, you're in the car. So we're going to go home now. We're not going to take you on any more airplanes for a while, okay? Oh, he's so mad. Poor guy. Hey there guys, good morning. It is the next day. Well, it feels like the next day. It's actually a week later. Our family has been quarantining, like I mentioned in my announcement video, for 10 days, and we're literally just sitting in the house waiting for our test results to come in so we can go look at some houses today, if it comes in. I have a theory someone at the Cambridge texting office doesn't have their inappropriate word together. Anyways, I thought that I made the outro the night that we flew in, but apparently I did not, because I was literally just editing this video and I couldn't find it. So either that means I didn't push the play button or my camera card ate it. I don't know. I don't even really remember getting into the house that night. I was so tired. So yeah, that's the end of our little moving vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.